Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another day with some interesting dynamics taking place here. There's a couple of things. This thing is either finally running out of steam and running out of momentum, or maybe this is just a little temporary pause here before another, move to the upside. But the first thing that all this revolves around is levels that I've already talked about, assuming you've watched past videos. But these red lines right here, first key level of resistance, and that red line value right there, right around the $42, and we'll call it 50 cents mark. And then that next level right up there at right around the 45, 35-ish mark right there. Those are still definitely in play, because if there is going to be another surge of momentum, then these are the two lines that every breakout player and their brother's uncle is watching and wondering, and rightfully so. It's a reasonable thought to be having, but can the price actually get back up above these areas? So continue to watch those areas. Those are going to be an indicator of just, if the momentum has returned. But the other thing that I find very interesting here is this trend line right here that's now been formed, which is showing that, over time, the price, and let me change this to green to represent a support trend line, but over time, the price has slowly been creeping upwards. But this is also one of those areas where, and nothing's guaranteed, but if the price does come down to that area and break down through it, I could see that break of the trend line starting to create more downside pressure and just kind of being a momentum killer. Again, not guaranteed, but in my mind, that's a more than reasonable thought to have, because as of right now, that is illustrating that there's momentum into the upside. But all of a sudden, if that is violated, then that starts to make a little shaky. And okay, I don't know, maybe there isn't quite as strong as momentum as what it appears to be. But as of right now, you have what would be known as an ascending triangle pattern here. So it's really just a question of, is the momentum still out there where it can work its way back up to these red lines and break up through there? So let's see how these next couple of days play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.